the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the free courses provided by the ISRO, and after completion of these free courses you are going to get the certificate also. So here there is no need of paying the fee at all. And to go into the website, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So after clicking on that link, then you will be directed to the official website of this one, that is ISRO's Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. And after entering into this official website, just go down here the distance learning and IIRS outreach, and here you can see the EduSat. So click on that link, then you will be directed to the free online courses providing by the ISRO, and it also provides a certificate, right? So here the 63rd RS applications in agricultural water management, it is starting from August 3rd and ending on August 7. And here the one more topic is also there, that is 62nd geospatial inputs for enabling master plan formulation, that is from July 27th to 31st. So for both these two courses, the online registration is open right now. So if you want to see the brochure, so click on this one, then you will be directed to this brochure. So here the complete details you can check down. The contact details are also there. So apart from the contact details, and the mail ID is also provided. And coming to the objective of the course is given, and the curriculum is also given. While coming to the target participants, the candidates who wants to participate in the course should be graduate or postgraduate any year, technical or scientific staff, or of central or state government faculty, researchers at university or the institutions are also eligible to apply for this course. And course study material like lectures, PDFs, video recorded lectures, open source software, and handouts of demonstration, etc. will be made available through eClass, and the link is provided here. So if you click on that link, then you will be directed to the website or the web page where you can able to access the free classes. Fine. So while coming to the course fee, here you can check that there is no course fee at all for live and interactive courses. So the candidates who belongs to the researchers of the university or the institutions or the faculty, all the candidates, please utilize this opportunity because it is completely free of cost and it is a certificate oriented. So if you got the certificate from the ISRO, then it will be the very valuable to your resume. And course registration link is also provided here. So it is a course registration link. Course updates and other details will be available on this URL. So to participate in this program, the interested organizations or universities or departments, institutions has to identify a coordinator at their end. The identified coordinator will register online his or her institute as a nodal center on the IIRS website. Okay, so please note that only 10,000 participants shall be allowed to register for the program. So it is a very big count. So utilize this opportunity. And here the important links are also given. So regarding the course updates, it is a website, and for the e-learning, these are all the websites are given here. And award of certificate, working professionals and students. So based on 70% attendance and 40% in the online examination, if you cross this one, that means if you are having the 70% attendance and coming to the online exam, if you score more than 40%, then you are going to get the certificate. So it is a one program. And coming to the second program, you can check here the applications in agricultural water management. So it is starting from August 3rd to August 7th. So you can check the schedules also. So click on this schedule. Then what are the topics they are going to be discussed from 27 to 31. Okay, and who is the resource person? All the details are available in this lecture schedule. Fine. So please utilize this opportunity. Who belongs to the eligibility criteria? I mean, whatever the given by this ISRO. That means the faculties and the researchers and the students, okay, all the working professionals can able to register for this one. So once again, check the eligibility criteria, and there is no payment of the fee at all. It is completely free courses, and whatever the tools they are using and whatever the PDFs they are using, all these things you are going to get at a free of cost. Okay, so it is a update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more details, subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.